Good morning, guys. New day. New stuff to get into. Rob and I are going to is it Home Depot or Lowe's? One of them. Whew, I swallowed. You ever swallowed water wrong? I swallowed water wrong. I don't know how you do that, but we're gonna go to Lowe's to go get a protractor. Is that what it's called, babe? Something. It's like an angle finder, so he can knock these things out, and maybe he'll do the crown on the top. We're watching this new thing on Amazon. I was about to say Amazon. That's how much I don't watch TV, but it's on Netflix, I think. It's called Atypical. It's about an autistic boy. So good. It just makes you understand. And it's just like, wow. So Rob got me into that, and Jordan actually watched. He sits and he watches, and of course, you know, he questions everything, and he's like, he talks aloud when we watch TV. He talks aloud, and he asks questions. Like, he doesn't just sit still and watch a movie. No, he talks all through it, like asking questions.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good. All right, go brush your teeth. I think Maddie's taking a shower. Afterwards, you can brush your teeth. So that's what we're getting ready to do, and I think I'm gonna take you guys along with us. What did Daddy ask y'all to do? All right, this needs to go back where it belongs. It don't belong there. I need you to get a trash bag and gather all the trash so that it can't go outside, I think. Sit down, eat your breakfast. Sit down. Sit down. Eat your breakfast. Listen carefully. Your chores for today, because you don't have any dishes in the sink. Okay? Gather all the trash from over there, the pizza box and the wing stuff. Stick them in a bag and put them out in the garage. Get all the trash and put it out in the garage. There's no space in the bin outside. Okay?
Yes.
All right, what are you looking for? Do you need something to do?
No, I'm gonna eat breakfast.
All right, go. What happened? They clogged the bathtub? Hair?
Daddy, yes,
Well, these two are the only one with hair. Oh my gosh, ew. That's gross. That looks like Maddie's hair. That is gross. You clogged up the toilet with all that hair.
Toilet, mommy, toilet.
Oh, you clogged up the bathtub with all that hair. It's you. You're the culprit.
No, that's me.
No, you.
No, that's me.
Where's the toilet paper?
Do we have toilet paper?
Yeah,
Oh, we did.
They just never put it on the.
She's getting ready to get a bath. That's what happens when you have a lot of hair.
Yeah, but there's nothing they can do
To stop it
to their hair
from their hair?
or something you can put.
I'm
on
pretty
the
sure
pipes
they
so
don't realize that their hair is going down in clumps.
No, I'm sure, but I'm saying.
I mean, it takes over time. I mean,
On the
it's
thing here.
2.5 years, and this is the first time the bathtub has been clogged. Second? Oh, okay. Well, then it's a problem. Y'all hair needs to be wrapped up when you take a shower. Do not wash your hair in the tub anymore. That way, yeah, because Dustin loves to wash hair in the tub.
It's easier.
I know it's
You
easy,
can wash, but just have to see if there's any hair in it.
I'm gonna cut this off and get me a bundle. Right here. It'll grow back.
Mommy.
I'm gonna cut right here and get a bundle. Ooh, I want yours. I want yours to make a bundle. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? I'm gonna cut off all y'all hair and get a bundle. I'm gonna combine yours and hers and get me a nice.
Look at all that hair.
Look at all that hair. I could make me a bundle out of that.
Nasty.
Ew, that's
These are
disgusting.
waterproof stickers.
Go take a bath, dirty butt. Go take a bath. She fell asleep last night. And nobody was waking her up to change her. So now Sissy's gonna give her a bath. And Rob and I are gonna go to Home Depot and come back. When Rob is home, I feel like I'm not productive at all. Like he has me all over the place. Is it working?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, okay, it's working.
You feel like you're not productive?
You take liberty of people too much.
It's not about because I'm here.
Because you're here, I'm not productive. Did that take out the dog? Did he go outside? Did he go outside? He's getting excited. He hasn't gone outside. Take the dog out. No video game today. Rob is being kind, generous. You two need a bath afterwards. After you clean up the kitchen, you two needs to take a bath, okay? You're the boys.
All this crap you can smash.
Okay?
Maybe you can get
Jaxson, what's wrong? You feel like we overwork you?
That's my little peasant boy.
He is the peasant of the family. But he's not very talkative today.
There's no milk.
No milk?
There's no milk.
Oh.
There's a little milk they can use.
They have the white milk in the
They need to use the milks. Yeah.
they have the white milk in the fridge.
That's all trash, yeah.
I have milk.
You don't want no milk, Jason? I don't want milk.
Oh, because I was just about to say there's milk. 1%.
When is later on? Like 5 or 6 p.m. or 7 p.m.
Look at his face. He said, what was the question, Jordan?
What is later on? So the way he said it, it's probably gonna be like tomorrow.
When is later on? Later on
Right.
is when we decide. Look at his face. He's so puzzled right now.
That place is like 8.
What's the matter, Jordan? You still have questions? I will answer them for you. No, you sure? Okay. So you didn't want milk? No? No? Okay.
Why are they not getting touched?
My dog boots. These are from Target. So comfortable. I tried them like this today because every time I walk, it would pull my socks.
What is this?
Huh? That was not gonna feed all of us. We need at least another pack to go with that. Please get out my pantry and stop.
We're gonna start going to this pantry, man.
I know that pantry is just random.
They need shit to start getting used up around here.
All right, we'll make sure we use up the stuff.
Goddamn mashed potatoes and shit.
Who said y'all can't eat the pretzels?
That's what we
What dessert?
for the.
This trash?
Yeah, that's trash.
Nothing.
Everything on here is trash.
Not Jackson's thing.
No, not Jackson's things, but
Can you fit that in there?
everything that was piled up here is trash.
Maybe not.
Because we don't know where to put the trash anymore. There's a bag there too.
Let's go in the garage.
And then when you guys done, sweep the floor, pick up the hard stuff, and then vacuum what you swept up, and then you're done. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Oh, and go upstairs, make your bed, take a shower, make your bed, clean your room. Okay? And then you just relax. Just relax until we get back. Got it, Jaxson?
Sorry.
Nice other than the smell of
Yeah, the rats and stuff will come.
They'll find it.
Plus, it's not in a bin, so. What's today? Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
We have one more day. We can't put it out later. We can put it back in the house and then we're trying to figure out whether or not we should keep the garbage in the garage. Because I see a rat in this house, I'm burning the whole thing down. Like, seriously. Rat? Me no do rat. I don't do rat. Me no
They haven't been
do.
eating this stuff here either?
They have.
This box?
they have. I don't do rats. I don't do cockroach. I don't do anything that crawls. I don't do creepy crawly stuff, okay? Yeah. I brought Destiny to Baby Maddie, so I gotta get her Doritos. What's the tool? This one? Also, what is it called? Angle finder. Digital angle finder. This is the kid's mask. I couldn't find my mask. I couldn't find my mask in the car, so I just grabbed one of the kids. I have a big pack of kids' masks in my car because my kids are always forgetting their mask. But I think Rob is still looking like he doesn't know one. Is that the one, or you need a different one?
That's the one.
Oh, okay. Oh, they have a different one right here.
Yeah.
It reads. It actually reads it out to you. Rob fills my email up with receipt. He don't send them to his, but he sends. It's windy out here. Like really windy. Feel like we're gonna be blown away. Ah! It's cold. Oh my gosh. I can't even zip up my jacket. What's 89.6? The angle?
Yeah, 88.6.
Okay. 88. So you divide 88 by 2? You divide that by 2?
89.6.
Divided by 2?
Yeah. $89.6.
This is so priceless. They're all playing together. You better get a doll.
You want a burger? So 2 burgers? Yeah. Okay, coming right at me.
Look at that. This is what I like to see. See, if Daddy didn't take y'all off technology, this wouldn't be happening. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tacos, shrimp kebabs,
Yes.
smoothie,
Yeah, Mommy. Look.
burgers.
Mommy, look at it. Oh my goodness.
What? What is that?
Look.
Oh, the menu. Okay. Okay, so we figured out the angle right there. And it took a lot to get this perfect, but that's how it's gonna sit, like that. This is just a piece of scrap, but isn't that perfect? I mean, you gotta squeeze that together, but that's perfect if you ask me. So apparently we got the wrong size board. Well, we thought the boards that we got were perfect until we started cutting these, which these are the perfect thickness and the perfect width. So we're gonna go back and return these, because you see these are nice and skinny. Is it skinny? These are thinner than these, and they're wider. So we're gonna go and get these smaller ones, because I feel like this will work better versus that one. And I know the look I'm going for, so I might as well just do it right and, you know, be all cute, right? My kitchen cabinets are gonna be cute. Anyways, I gotta put my belt on. Okay, so this is how it sits on the cabinet. I got a caulk paint. This cabinet sits a little bit higher, because you can see. My cabinets are dirty, I gotta clean them. But this sits a little bit higher, and you know, I gotta caulk that. And then over here, this is off. This edge right here is a little teensy bit longer than that one over there, but you can't really see it because, you know, not everything is straight and perfect. So, but back from afar, it looks nice. Painted and the crown put on. You can't tell me nothing. Oh, what this doing? What is this? Look at this child. He don't even know his own danger. He don't even know that it's just not time for run out. Jaxson can't see or hear. Babe, we set up the boy. We set up the boy. The boy don't even know danger. Oh, hi, Gio. Now $2.12. $2.12. What? We had a balance from. They do this thing where they give you water for they give you credit for water you use outdoor. You bring this meter in and they read it and they give you like a credit, and we had like $200 and something worth of credit. So this month we run out that credit. See, previous balance 92. So we only owed $2.12 come the 3rd. Okay, guys, so we found the crown molding by accident. This is actually a door trim.
The paint just chipped off.
This is actually a door trim, but we have a ton of them from when we ripped off the front door and also another door. Like, I think it was some other door. Yeah, so we have a ton of these, but I wanted to do craftsman style all throughout, but the cabinets doors are not craftsman. They have this little bit of intricate detail on them, so I feel like it wouldn't have handled the craftsman style crown the way that it handles this. Because I can have Rob step up and show you guys how it look. Come on. Yes, you are. Yes, you're doing it for the sunshine. Rob love y'all. He just don't like showing it. Sit down.
Sit?
No, stand up. Stand up and put it up there and show them, Papa. What? Yes. Look at that. You see that little, let me show y'all. Look at that little, the roundness
That's like that.
in the board compared to the
The other way
doors.
would have been like this.
Yeah, you can kick it out a little bit more, but we would have to add build up and stuff to kick it out. But we don't want to do that. We just want basic crown. That's her crown right there. That's perfect, Papa. Perfect. And we don't have to buy anything. These came with the house. We just ripped it off. We already paid for it in our mortgage. So we don't have to spend any more money. We have 1, 2, 3 boards. And then we have enough here. Yay! Okay, guys. Her crown is on. Look at her. So pretty. I don't know if I showed you guys that corner piece that I put up is a quarter round right here, because there's a notch in the cabinet right there that we had to hide. So she's on for the night. The rest of them we have to finish. But you see the big difference? Look at my cabinet then. Then Rob got his air fryer on. He's getting ready to put some chicken in there. And I'll tell y'all how that turn out tomorrow. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.